This is Hurricane Irma, South Carolina right now. Not that bad.
Well, you'll have to go back until Wednesday.
But there's been a couple of trees falling down. Probably. Anyways, today is the day billions of trees fall down. Oh, hit the window. It's not that bad. So if anyone's in South Carolina right now, you shouldn't be scared. I mean, like, oh crap. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but it's just a carpet of just rain, and the trees are blowing around everywhere. One thing for sure, I'm not going outside anytime soon. Oh my god. This is just around my house. Everything's just blowing around everywhere. Crap ton of rain. I think you can see the rain, but there's a bunch of rain in my driveway. Here's on the other side, you can see. Not too bad over here. And you got over here. Wow. Sorry about that. I'd say it's not too bad, so. Oh my god. I take my "it's not too bad" back. Oh, that tree. I don't think you can see that, but hold on. The tree is getting destroyed.
My goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, all the trees are getting blown around. This Hurricane Irma. Fierce. It's a fierce hurricane. A tree right there is blowing around a lot too. I'll show you guys on the other side. No one's driving. No one wants to do anything in this kind of weather.
Man.
Trees right there. It's just not too bad in South Carolina, so if you are in South Carolina, you don't have to be worried. Jeez. Oh, the clouds are moving super fast. We have a nursery home over there. Last time it rained like half of this bad. The nursery home got flooded. It's right over there. I wonder how bad it's going to be this time. I'm going to go to the other side. Jeez. Yeah, it's just Hurricane Irma. Hitting South Carolina right now. This is in Fountain Inn. So, South Carolina Fountain Inn right here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Right? Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. It's just her. It's basically just a storm now. We've had worse out here. It's just the wind is really bad. The rain is just the week. The rain's not even a thing. We've had worse rain than this before. It's just the wind that tops everything off. It got really windy right there. Oh my god. All leaves are flying everywhere. That is a big old gust of wind that just went by. Oh, here's another big old gust of wind. The worst thing that could happen is a tree falls down right now. Right now. So or something. Hey, there's a car. The worst thing that could happen is a tree falls over on like a house or something. But yeah, I'm gonna stop it right there. Hold on. Just gonna show you this side real quick. And yeah, I guess that's the end.